Hello, my name is Kevin from JBH. Today I'm going to introduce another new model which is featured with remote control fold and unfold. Simply just one touch of the remote control, you can open the wheelchair. It's really convenient, not any effort required. You can fold it this way, or you can just have the wheelchair sit on the floor and then you can do remote control. It's same time the same, but it's a lot easier. We can do upright. Okay, this wheelchair, obviously you can see the frame is really a single bar with neat design from here. On the back there's a anti-tilt wheel set from both sides of the side frame. With 200 kW motor, large size of wheel that you can overcome rougher terrain. You want to go out, it's a lot easier, and also really comfort because of the wheel size is a lot bigger. The front wheel, we have the hole, a lot of hole design here. Obviously you can see these are shock absorber function that allow you to have more comfort. We have the footstep with anti-slavery spots on the top that you can sit on your foot here, no problem at all. Two batteries are designed under the seat, and it's really easy that you can take it out. Simply just put it a little bit with your finger. You can take out the battery easily, and obviously you can see the size of the battery is really compact. A lot easier. You can put inside the bag when you want to go on the airplane, or you want to go somewhere, you want to take it home for charging. It's really easy. To take it back is just slide it in and touch it. That's all set. This wheelchair has another feature that we have a gas lift here for you to adjust the backrest angle continuously. You can stop anywhere you want. Simply just pull up the lever here, and then it's automatic turn back. A lot of angles you can just stop anywhere. Simply just lift up your fingers from the lever here. Alright, to access the wheelchair is really easy. You can just lift up the armrest from here. Either you can access from this side, or this side is very easy. Simply just slide it in, and then you can get out of the wheelchair very easy. Or you can just access at the front. Control of the wheelchair, simple and easy. Turn the switch on with one finger. For the joystick control, you can control it back or to the front with a 360-degree function. Very tight radius that you can easier access in any tiny space. Very simple and easy. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel. We will see you in next video. Thank you very much.